Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So it's been a couple of weeks since I actually filmed a video. It might not seem like it because I post and stuff, but it's been a while and I have a lot of ideas that I want to do, a lot of videos I want to do, but today's video is based on Melted Hairline, this Melted Hairline series that I've just really kind of got on the bandwagon of. So I think I bought one wig that was Melted Hairline and it was KAMIYAH. I will leave that review in the description box if y'all want to go ahead and check that out. The maintenance vlog and then the review I'll put in the description box. Go ahead and check those out. I'm trying to get into wigs. I promise y'all that I will do these wigs. So I was like, you know what? I want to do it. It's fun for me. So trying new things, learning about it and see if it's good for me, because you know, I do like to try new things. So yes, you guys, but if you're not already, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. This might be a transformation video depending on how this video turns out. It might not, we will see. But I want to discuss these Melted Hairline series wigs that I got. So the first one that I'm going to talk about in this video is the Melted Hairline lace front wig in Martina. So this is what she's looking like. This is her stock card and this is what she looks like. Very like, I guess you want to say like a wavy texture, and it's 1B. I wanted to go a little bit simple. So 1B, it has baby hairs included, pre-attached wide elastic band, and high heat up to 400 Fahrenheit. Martina 1B, and these are the specialty colors that it comes in right here at the top. And then what else it has? It has what it looks like on the side and it has what it looks like on the back. So yeah, hopefully y'all can see the card. Well, this is what it looks like, the front, and this is what the back looks like. Sorry for my ring light messing it up, but this is what it looks like right here. All right, enough about this card. This is the Martina wig and I am super excited to try this. Oh, y'all had no idea, I'm super excited. So yeah, I have that too as well. And then I have the other one. This is a little bit newer. This is the Melted Hairline Brienne. I got it in a 1B. She has other colors as well. It's the same as the other stuff card, but I'll talk about it a little bit more. But this might be in my transformation video, but I really wanted to talk about Martina first because it's a little bit different for me, and Brienne is different for me too, but I feel like this is just a special wig that needs to be in a special video. So we'll see about that. But I got these two wigs, but let's go ahead and open up Martina because that's who we're working with today. So Melted Hairline Martina, let's open her up. I'm not gonna lie though, I did open her up already. I did open her up, try to see a little bit. I didn't try her on though, but I did open her up to see how it felt and all this other stuff. So yeah, Melted Hairline, washing, maintenance, all that other stuff. I don't think it says anything else. It's a frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. Redesigns, comfort fit, ear contour, and it's a lace front. And Martina 1B. So this is what Martina is giving. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's kind of like a KAMIYAH, well, the short version of KAMIYAH. Everybody keeps saying it, but I think it's cute. Right off the package, I think it's cute. It's different. I never had like a wavy type. I'm glad I have a short wig though, because the only short wig I really have is Zephany, and that's like a brown wig, and that's not something you wear every day. So it's not an everyday wear type of thing. So this is what she looks like. Initially, she's very soft. I do like the way she feels. Any shedding? Well, yeah, I'm getting some hairs while I'm just, you know, running my hands through. I got this from, which website did I get this from? It was a new website I tried. I didn't get it from Wig Types or Ebony Line. I got it from, I think, Hair Crown Beauty Supply. So I don't know, it depends on where you buy your wigs from on how it's going to come out of the package. I didn't get it from Ebony Line like I usually do, or Wig Types, but I think this is an okay brand. I think it's a black owned brand, I'm not really sure, but I think it's okay. I paid $74.98 for both of them. Hair Supply Company, free shipping available. So yeah, I got it from them. but it's super cute. Let me see. It has the elastic band, and then it has, what else it got over here? The adjustable straps, which I'm gonna take off. I think I got it straight. Ooh, these videos are definitely different. I don't know, I feel like my videos are so different, but okay. So like I said, the elastic band, the 2 combs on the side, 1 comb here, 1 comb here, and then this big comb right there. All right, so let me take this bonnet off. My mom braided my hair for me because, you know, I can't braid worth nothing. So I was like, you know what, can you braid my hair for me? And she was like, yeah, sure. So I don't really know how to wear this elastic band, so I might cut it off. I don't know how I'm gonna do that, but I might end up doing that later on. Okay, let's wear it. This is Martina. This is an old wig. I mean, not a lot of people still, I don't think people still wear this wig. I'm not sure. I don't think they do. And if they do, it might be, I feel like it's a little older because I've been looking at reviews and the reviews are a while ago. Like a while ago. So hopefully y'all watch this one if I do end up doing a review on this hair. I have the Fenty Beauty one in 450, and I got my little Jeffree Star brush that I think it's, hopefully it's good for this, to pat it down a little bit. I wanted to try some tint spray, but I'm not really ready to do all that, so I don't know when I'm gonna be able to do that. Maybe that might be something I review, but we'll see. I don't know, I'm not sure. Put this thing back on. I like the black stocking caps so much better. Dealing with it, you don't have to do too much. Okay, so this is what she's giving us. Very natural hairline though, I can say that much. I can say that much about the hair. They do give you some baby hairs in there. I don't think it's that much. You can create your own if you want to, but I don't think I saw a lot of it, baby hairs. Oh, hold on. Is you looking natural? Stop. Oh, you looking natural. Oh, she looking natural. Okay, I don't really see the braids like that anymore. Ouch. I don't want to hurt myself. Ooh. Oh, natural. Am I just, maybe I'm tripping. Hold on, maybe I'm tripping. No, you ain't tripping. It looks so much better. It looks so much better. So much better. It looks more natural. Ooh, okay. I mess with it. I mess with it. Now I'm getting a little bit. Maybe I should put it on all parts of it. Y'all, natural or what? Let me know in the comments. Interact with me, you guys. Let me know in the comments below. Natural, is it giving? It's a giving. Is it giving? Okay. Positive criticism, y'all. So this is what the hair is looking like, y'all. Initially, ooh, I'm sorry, but some of the reviews I was watching, people are like, oh, I don't really like it, but I love it. So Zephany was probably my favorite wig. Even though it was a color wig, I think that one was really my favorite wig, but this might be close second though. Cut it all at once. Okay. Alright, trial and error, y'all. Y'all ready? Let's go. Trial and error. We did it, y'all. We did it, y'all. We did it. I can't stand myself. We did it, y'all.
We did it. We did it, Joe.
We did it. Okay. Yeah, so that's that. I cut the sideburns. Yikes. So I'm gonna do it the rest off camera, and I'll come back and we can actually go ahead and do a review. We can switch it up and do a review. Stay tuned. I'm gonna finish this wig and I'll come back when it's done. So I am finally done. I put a little bit of, I don't know if you can see it, but I put a little bit of makeup on. It's literally late at night. It's like, what time is it? It's 12:41 a.m. I still have another video to do, so I'm gonna be up all freaking night trying to get this done. But as you saw in the other clip, I tried to do the baby hairs right here. It's a little bit thick, but for a first-time person for doing baby hairs, I think I did an okay job. So I'm super proud of myself. I'm super happy that I even was able to do something. But yeah, I did do these ones, so this is pretty nice. I like this one in the middle, but on the side it kind of gets a little bit drastic. It's too bunched up right here. I probably would have just made it more curly. And then this side I just basically use my freeze spray and just basically like glue it down, not too much but good enough. So it looks literally just like my hair. I'm super happy. What y'all think? Let me know. Now I think I can do, I guess I want to do a review when I've worn this wig more. So I'm just gonna give you guys my initial impressions of this. I absolutely love Martina. She's my favorite short wig, everyday wig. Beautiful. I freaking love her. She's just so like, I don't know, I just look so cute and just like grown. I mean, I'm grown already, but it looks so good and I'm super proud of myself. I can't wait until I get all glammed up during the week. So period. I can't wait. So this is what it's looking at. I'm proud of myself. Like, Look at it. It's blending. It's blending. It's crazy. Do love this wig. I mean, I just love this wig. I love this wig so much. But I can't wait to try on Brienne. We are gonna do that tonight. But oh my gosh, she's giving Scalpiana, I think. I'm so proud of myself. I can just keep getting better and better and better. I'm gradually learning. So focus on me. I can't wait to get my nails done. I think I know what look I want to do with this hair. So stay tuned for a review, a real review, and then a look. Hair, makeup, and all. But yes, y'all. First initial, the only way that you can get, there's not really any tangling necessarily. Maybe just a little bit, but that's because I have to comb through it. I haven't combed through it in about like 15 minutes, so I need to comb through it. But 10 out of 10. First impressions, 10 out of 10. God, I just don't appreciate this right here because I did this and I don't really like it. It's just so bulky, but everything else is just beautiful. Except for these, there's kind of like some streaks in here of crinkle, but I don't really care because I love this wig. 10 out of 10. I gotta take this wig off so I can try on another one. Brienne. A whole different beast, but I can't stop looking at myself. I'll insert some pictures here too as well on Instagram, but I can't wait to do a review when my hair is like up to point, my makeup is up to point, my nails is up to point. So yeah, but initial thoughts, I love this hair. Not a lot of tangling going on, not a lot of shedding. The only shedding that I got was technically when I cut the lace off and stuff. That's the only time I got shedding. So I'm a happy camper. I am a happy camper. I just don't want to take it off. I don't want to take it off. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Look at myself in the viewfinder. I love it. I can't stop playing with it. 10 out of 10, baby. 10 out of 10. The lace is fire. I love this. All in the front. This one looks sexy. Sexy mama. Sexy mama. Sexy. Alright y'all, that is the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. I love this hair. I love this hair. I live for it. But that is it. I love y'all and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.